Hey guys, so what I have here is the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm gonna use a fillet knife to open up the box here and then pull out the phone. Nice, shiny. Everything looks brand new like it's supposed to. Then the hard part of taking out the plastic. You gotta find the right tab to pull and then the right way to pull it. Once you get going, it's pretty easy after that. Yeah, so you see right here, really nice screen, but that crease, they say that the crease goes away when the phone's flat. It doesn't, it stays like that, but your eye gets used to it. So for 1800 bucks, there's got to be something more in the box. So I'm ripping up the box trying to find out if there's something hidden in there or something nice, but there's nothing on this side. And over here they have a couple accessories, and by a couple I do mean two. They really cheaped out. So what they gave you is a USB-C cord for charging and a pin for the SIM card. I thought there would be a little block for charging, but they cheaped out, didn't give any of that stuff. I looked for the SIM card because they included the pin, but the SIM card came pre-installed. So over here I'm tearing everything up trying to find the SIM card. Alright, and going back to the phone, there's that crease I was talking about, and you got the power button by my thumb, and then the volume button right above it. You got the charger on the bottom with the microphone and the speaker. And then you have the SIM card on this side, and another speaker on top with a couple more microphones for noise cancelling. On the fold here, you have a engraved name Samsung of the phone, obviously. And then when it closes, it has a nice snap to it. It's like magnetic. You got a selfie camera in the front here, another selfie camera when you open the phone. And when you're in the closed position, you could use this back camera for selfie. You just have to select the option, then open the screen. But otherwise, here it is.